I come from DRS International School. Everything was organized in a structured manner and they executed very well.
So the session was very interactive and always knowledgeable session. So many takeaways are there from the session, and always, as usual, we always get new AI tools to take away. And it was an amazing session. The session was really very informative, and as I am hearing Vasudevan sir's workshops from so much almost from 1 year, I don't miss the opportunity to listen to his workshops actually, especially on Sundays. He is a mesmerizing speaker. He is very frank. And today's session is very informative. I want to know about many AI tools, how in depth we can use the one of the basic input which I can take it. That's the takeaway from the today's session.
Facilitating the session. Actually, today's session was public learning, where we have learned new tools which were really unaware, and really it was a great time.
Lot of knowledge. It helps us to use the AI tools and came to know that there is a different part, different types of books which are not same as those in the market, and we came to know that we can do something differently to the students with the help of your books.
Thank you so much for this kind of events organized. Thank you for SuperTeacher's team.